What you should even sell online. So before you build a funnel, before you run ads, before you even think about affiliate marketing, you need to answer one question. What are you actually offering to people? Because this is where most people get stuck. Or worse, they skip this part completely. In my last video, I showed you how a real business works, how affiliate marketing fits into that business model, and then basically how to integrate the two of those things, where yes, you build a real business based on foundation, and then you integrate affiliate marketing behind that. But none of that actually matters if you if you don't know what you're building around. It doesn't even matter. So today I'm going to help you figure that out. So no hype, no guessing, just a simple way for you to choose something that actually makes sense for you. So what makes sense for me doesn't necessarily apply to you, but hopefully this video will help you figure that out so that you can come up with some sort of plan. Because the thing is like a funnel is not the business. It's just a path. The business is what you're actually offering inside of that. So before you build anything, you need clarity on what problem are you solving for people. There's only really three directions that you can go. And I have those paths listed up here if you're taking notes. Really start to think about what is it that fits in with you the best. So you can either take path one and you can sell a product. This could be something from like digital, so like ebooks, prompts, templates. You could have physical products. You could do something like, Shopify and do drop shipping. You could sell courses. That's it depends what you actually want to do. I've actually done a little bit of all three. I've never really sold courses, but I have sold physical products and I did drop shipping, and I just did not like it. So it did not make sense for me. I love digital products because it's the easiest fulfillment. Once they order, you simply send them to a page where they can download their digital product, and then you follow up with an email to a link where they can download the product. So that was the simple course for me to go. If you like e-commerce, then maybe, it's drop shipping and you have a physical product. So like what I ended up doing is, I targeted people who were building YouTube, and I sell AI prompts for YouTube script writing. The problem I'm solving is for people who are like, I don't know what to say in my videos. So this actual video is an example of AI helping me put together a script to keep me on track and to keep a flow and to keep a content schedule for myself. So if you go back pre-January to any of my videos, you will kind of see where I've thought of a concept and I just get on and I talk and I show my screen and I just talk about a concept. But there was no flow from one video to another. Ever since January, in the last couple weeks especially, I have been very formatted and focused because now I know exactly who I am looking to help. And that's people who want to start a real business online and just need help getting going. So for the past several years, I've been selling a service. That's my main business model, is social media marketing. I run ads. I create content for people. I help people grow their YouTube channels. And it's for people who don't know how to grow their YouTube channels. So I've offered a service. I've built an email list as I offered the service and gained customers. So what you can do is, this is the simplest way to start. It's path 3. This is if you don't necessarily have a product or service that you're selling personally, but maybe you want to affiliate to tools and services that you've seen out there. You can actually build an email list. And this is it's very simple to start something like this. If you don't have anything, this is where I would start. I would create something simple like a free guide, free checklist. I would sell prompts. I would, show prompts. I would actually use YouTube to drive traffic. I would get on, I would explain like, hey, check out, this is how most people are prompting. If you want my prompt pack, click the link below and offer a $17 prompt pack. I'm currently doing this with my Faceless brand and my service company, and we're selling YouTube writing script prompts. And we're driving traffic, we're creating videos, we're driving traffic, and we're getting leads, plus we're getting sales. This is the easiest one to actually get into. And now what's cool about that list that I'm building is I have services that I can promote where I don't have to affiliate to anything. I'm building an email list where I can say, hey, you just got a script for writing YouTube videos. Do you need help with the promotion? Here's a service. And then I am promoting my own service with a list that I built that are targeted very much for the service I sell. So basically, here's how to simplify it. Ask yourself, what do you already know or use? What have you already solved for yourself? And then what do people already ask you about? So maybe you're an expert, maybe you've lost a bunch of weight and you have stuck to a diet, and people have said, how have you lost all that weight? You can provide content. You could provide, you could get on and talk about your journey and then link to an ebook that gives your story or has recipes, and there's a lot of things you can affiliate to that you can earn commissions off of that. But you have to figure out what your story is. And that's not a business model I've done, but it's one that you could do if that's your interest. If you like to work out and you want to sell workouts, you could do videos on workout videos and then sell your 20 video tutorials on different workout moves. I mean, you have to figure out what you already know, what you already use, and what you could offer to solve someone else's problem in that same area. So the one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to necessarily go with things that are trending or what somebody else is selling, or what promises the most money, because then what happens is you're just jumping from thing to thing to thing based on what someone else told you to do. So that's why you want to figure out for you what your best offer, what your best value is that you can bring to people. So more examples is so when I first started, I was actually, this is actually how my business started. I was pitched a website. I was looking for a website to buy that was already generating money because I didn't know how to make money online at the time. And I was like, well, I'll just buy a business that's already making money. And somebody sent me a link and said, hey, I sell YouTube views. Do you want to buy this site for $1,500? And I looked at it and I was just like, I think I can make this site. And I started doing research, figuring out, wait, I can fulfill this. And instead of buying the site, I put up a simple WordPress site, a simple opt-in, a simple service. I found a supplier. I started running ads. I brought people to my site and I started selling a product. And it worked immediately. And I was able to build a list. And this is 20 years ago. I was doing YouTube before Google owned YouTube. That's how long I've been around that. But what problem was I solving? I was solving people who wanted to grow on YouTube and didn't know how. I was doing the promotion for them. And immediately I gained tons and tons of customers doing that. And now I have variations of those services. We're like, hey, we have done for you shorts. We have thumbnail service. We have content creation. We've got, we run ads for some of our clients. We optimize videos for them. We recommend tools. So it's grown into an actual business. I started out with an offer and it grew into a brand and into a business. If you're somebody in the fitness, you could sell coaching, you could sell plans, you could sell meal plans, you could sell a recipe book. If you're in business, you could just sell templates, calendar, content calendars. There's so many people on Etsy who are selling some sort of templates, prompts, that type of thing that help businesses where they don't have to do it. It's already in a template form, if that's something you're good at. The thing is when you just keep it simple, because you don't have to start by building a huge company. You're just solving one problem. And as you learn and grow, you can build it into a big company. So this is where actually AI becomes powerful, because now you don't even have to build everything from scratch. You can create prompts, create content, generate ideas, build simple products. All of this can be done with the help of AI. This is actually why I'm working on building out AI-based resources and prompts for people, because they're simple, it's useful, and it solves real problems. So I'll be sharing those as I go. I've got some really good advanced prompts, and these can be 1 to 2 pages of prompts that I've tweaked just enough, but help people focus in on exactly solving one problem. And so these are the types of prompts that, I will be, some of them I'll be giving away for free and some of them I will be selling. So here's the thing too, is what you want to avoid when you're starting is that you don't necessarily want the easiest way to make money, or what can I sell the fastest, or what is everyone else doing, because that's how you do end up jumping from one thing to another, and you end up spending a bunch of money on a bunch of programs, and you end up making no money and wasting a lot of time. So that's why if you can figure out and hone in on what you're good at and what your offer value is, then you can lean into that and build something out of it. Clarity comes before the execution. You can't go and do stuff and hope that it will just hit you one day what you're doing. No, you have to focus in, get clarity on what you're doing, and then you can execute. If you skip this step, then nothing ends up working. So here's simple action plan. If you've watched to this point right now, hey, leave me a comment or like the video because that helps. That's one free way to help. Subscribe to the channel. But here's what I want you to do from this video. Pick one direction. Pick one product, one service, or one type of list, email list that you want to build. And then write down, I help people blank. What do you help people do? When I started is I help people grow YouTube. And I focused in on one service, and then I expanded. Once I had that down, I expanded to other services. Yes, I can help you get traffic, but now, hey, do you want me to help you with your thumbnails? YouTube Shorts didn't exist 20 years ago, but today YouTube Shorts are relevant. Hey, would you like me to take your long form videos and turn them into YouTube Shorts for you? Done for you service. I've kept it simple, but I keep adding things that are relevant to a YouTuber. I added, hey, do you need help with SEO? Use this tool, TubeBuddy vidIQ. Those are things I can easily recommend. I mean, that's it. It's very simple. You don't have to make it complicated, but you do have to start with one offer and one thing that you can bring value and know who you're targeting. Once you have that, now you're ready. You can actually start building something from scratch, and you're getting an email list in a targeted whatever avatar you're trying to help. You're building a list in that category, so when you see products, services, tools that would help anybody in those niches, you can recommend those things. So like, I know a lot of people who are in the health and fitness, they recommend like Apple, or it doesn't have to be Apple, but like I have Apple, so I think of that, but like apps that help them track their fitness. You can get paid for sharing those with people. And so that is the simplicity. So like, this whole video is about you figuring out what value you bring, the offer you create, and then whose problems are you helping solve. So this video is for that. In the next video, I'm actually gonna build one step by step. So I will take an offer and we'll build a quick funnel. This will actually be a funnel that anybody can use for anything they're selling, because it will be so general. You can just pop in your own content. I will actually give you guys a link to import a fully done funnel, and then you can just edit the content so that it matches your offer versus the one that I'm building. It will be very general, so it will be very easy to change for you. And then you can start getting traffic to that funnel, building your list or product, whatever it is you're going to sell. So we will see you on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.